Hi students and parents. This video is going to instruct you on how to use My Google Classroom so that when you're away from school for the day or for longer, you can stay up to date with your work. All right. So in your browser, when you're on Google, you'll see the little dots in the corner, and that's where you'll find Classroom. If they're not logged in, nothing will show up. They'll have to log into Google. And as a reminder, their login is their first name dot last name at horizonsd.ca. Their password is grade 5er, written like this. All right. So once they're logged in, they will see a bunch of classes just like this. If they have work that is due, it'll show up down here. As you can see, there are some assignments showing up here. But the main place to get information is this one, 2020-21, grade 5. Okay. At the top, there'll be a few different options. There's stream, classwork. All right, so we're going to go to classwork. In here, I have plans. So every week I post my plans for what I'm doing. Information is general information that I have that doesn't fit into other classes. And then we also have some stuff that we do called library or genius. So that's where this is found. All right, so going up to plans, for example, this week, I can click on the link. And this takes me to my plans. All right, so every class has different plans on it. If there's some work attached, like a worksheet or anything like that, you'll see the little paper clip, and you can click on it to download it. Okay. So if there was something for ELA, it would also be in the ELA classroom. So switching between classes, you're going to click on the little bars up here in the top left, and all the classes that the grade 5s are in will show up. Okay, I have a classroom for each class. Social and science is sharing one. There's phys ed, health, arts, ELA, math, all have their own classes. So if we go to ELA, classwork at the top, they can go through and they can see some things are just materials, like this, and some things are assignments. All right, I hope that helps you in getting around Google Classroom with your student. If you have any questions or are having any problems, send me an email. If you know you're going to be away, I'll usually send emails as well to the student. So they should check their email, and that's where a lot of things will be communicated. Again, if you have any questions, contact the school or contact me directly, and I'd be happy to help you.